Welcome everyone to the Khadas DIY Case Getting Started Guide. Getting right into things, we can start assembling the case by putting the walls onto the bottom half of the case. Next, we can screw the metal plate onto the bottom half. There should be a slot-like side for the plate to go into. Now, taking the board, set it inside of the case. Next, peel the plastic off of the heatsink paste and apply it on top of the CPU. Now, let's set the heatsink onto the board and screw it into place. Finally, we can install the top of the case. I find this part easiest if you set all the screws into place and then screw them in. Thank you for watching. This product, among other single-board computers and accessories, are available at ameriDroid.com. Links can be found in the description below.